to evaluate the 2023 Honda Civic Type R. This car is upfitted with the MRT axle back, and this is our street performance system. It's a dual tip design, 304 stainless steel, 2.5 inch tube, and we positioned it, I think, just perfectly in the factory cutout for the rear center exit of the exhaust. And it's a pretty simple, pretty affordable, and very cool exhaust system. Let's give it an evaluation. So with the car running, idling about 800 RPM, I can hear a deep whir in the background. Definitely a performance sound, a sound that is one that you would intend to make instead of making by accident. Give it a few revs, and again, it's the focus is on a deep note and a full note. We'll see what she's like on the road. So doing a simulated conservative city drive. Exhaust is part of the story, and in its orchestra is the tire noise, road noise, and just overall the car's running type noise. So nothing obnoxious, nothing that's overbearing, nothing is commanding more attention than it should. Definitely be able to carry on a conversation, whether it's on a phone or with somebody in the car, and not be interrupted by exhaust presence. Alright, now we're going to get out into traffic, go through the gears a little bit more aggressively.